The internet is full of wild beauty trends. People try all sorts of crazy things, but this challenge was on another level. Welcome back to Glowenvy, your go-to spot for beauty experiments, glam hacks, and a little bit of chaos. If you love makeup with a twist, make sure to hit that subscribe button because things are about to get glossy. Imagine this, one mega gloss made from every single lip gloss at Sephora. It sounded impossible. Could it even be done? I was determined to find out. This wasn't just about mixing colors. This was about pushing the boundaries of beauty. It was about taking something ordinary and making it extraordinary. With a dash of humor and a whole lot of gloss, I was ready to dive in. Get ready for the ultimate Frankengloss experiment. Sephora, the land of beauty dreams. I walked in with a mission. My eyes darted across the aisles, drawn to the shimmering displays. I was on the hunt for every single lip gloss, and I meant every single one. The variety was astounding. From high-end brands to drugstore favorites, the options seemed endless. Plumping glosses, shimmery glosses, tinted glosses, you name it, they had it. After what felt like an eternity, my basket overflowed. 297 lip glosses from 31 brands. Let the games begin. Now, for the messy part. Detubing 297 lip glosses is no joke. Imagine squeezing, scraping, and scooping for hours on end. My hands were slick with gloss, and I was pretty sure I had it in my hair. But hey, no pain, no gain, right? Some glosses popped right out. Others clung to their tubes for dear life. I used every tool imaginable, toothpicks, butter knives, even the end of a spoon. It was a sticky, gooey battle, but I emerged victorious. Finally, a mountain of gloss awaited its destiny. Section 4. The Alchemical Blend. Transformation in a bowl. With all the glosses detubed, it was time for the grand mixing. I carefully scooped them into a large bowl. The colors swirled together, creating a mesmerizing kaleidoscope. Pinks, reds, nudes, and even a few unexpected blues and greens. It was a glorious mess. As I stirred, the texture began to change. What started as a collection of individual glosses morphed into a single homogeneous mixture. The aroma was intoxicating, a sweet, fruity scent that filled the air. The transformation was complete. The Frankengloss was born. Section 5. The Frankengloss. Wear test and revelation. The moment of truth had arrived. I dipped the applicator into the Frankengloss and carefully applied it to my lips. The texture was surprisingly smooth and not as sticky as I had feared. The color? A beautiful bricky nude with a sheer, shimmery finish. It felt slightly tingly on my lips, almost like a plumping gloss. The scent was still that delightful fruity blend. And the wear time? Impressively long-lasting. It reminded me of a cross between a Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and a Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Lip Bath. The experiment was a success. The Frankengloss was not only wearable, but surprisingly flattering. Who knew that mixing 297 lip glosses could lead to such a beautiful result? If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy beauty experiment. See you in the next one.